We are starting a new unit called Making Informed Decisions for Life. Now, the things that we're going to learn in this unit are kind of all different, so they're not tied together in one cohesive thing like health and fitness. What we're going to learn first is we're going to find area and perimeter of various shapes to make purchase decisions. Then we are going to talk about how to get the best deal on things by looking at units, rates, discounts, and markups and how to calculate those. We are going to take 1 week and look at recipes and instructions and learn how to convert those into a size, like if you needed to double or cut it in half or take 3/4 of it. And then we're going to look at data displays, and that would be like charts and graphs to get the most accurate information from them, to know how to read them. And then lastly, we're going to look at estimating and judging measurements to see which are best for which situations. Now, since this is a math class, here is the math that we will be learning to support that. We're going to calculate area and perimeters of common shapes, and I will give you those formulas. We're going to be calculating unit rates. We're in estimating and rounding, our favorite friends. We've used those every single unit. We're going to work with fractions and decimals, and then we are going to be interpreting data displays. So to get our unit kicked off, we're going to start off with perimeter and area. And you're thinking, well, when the heck will I ever use these? Actually, this is the most used thing I've ever used as an adult, especially with my home. Inside your home, you need area if you're going to figure out any kind of flooring like carpet or hardwood or laminate. You need to figure out area of walls if you're going to paint a room. Outside your home, you can use perimeter if you're going to fence your yard or a section of your yard, and you need area of your yard or a section of your yard if you're going to put down any sort of mulch or other sort of ground covering. So we're going to start off, and you're going to learn the formulas for calculating area and perimeter, and then we're going to do 3 things. You're going to pick a room in your house that you want to paint. You're going to calculate the area you want to paint, select the paint, and then calculate how much it will cost you to paint that area. The second thing that you're going to do is pick an area outside your house. And if you live in an apartment, just pick an area that you think would be good, that you would like to fence. Measure, calculate the perimeter, select the fencing that you would like, and then calculate how much it would cost to buy the fencing for that area. And then the last thing that we're going to do, I'm going to give you a little bit of choice on this one. You may select from one of these 2 options. You can either pick a room in your house, measure and calculate the area of the floor space, pick out a floor covering like a rug, or not rug, excuse me, carpet, hardwood, or laminate, calculate the cost of the flooring for this room that you chose, or you can pick a space outside your house. You can measure and calculate the area of that space and pick a ground covering like sod, mulch, rock. There might be other ones that you're interested in, and calculate the cost of the ground cover with ground cover for the space that you have chosen. Okay, so again, this is a little bit different unit because every week we're going to be kind of doing something different. It's not timed to a specific thing other than that these are choices in life where you're going to be using math.